buddies! Welcome to Easy Learning Math, where we make math super easy. Today, we're gonna talk about something cool. Ever wondered how to find out the unknown length of plane figures when given their area? Well, get ready because we're about to find out together. Let's solve question number 1. The figure shows a trapezium ABCD. If the area of the trapezium is 140 centimeters square, find the length of AB. Okay, first, let's write the information given from the question. We know that the area of trapezium is 140 centimeters square. Okay, next, let's write the formula to find the area of trapezium. The formula to find the area of trapezium is 1 out of 2 times the sum of two parallel sides of trapezium. So here, we can see that the two parallel sides are DC and AB, so let's write them first. DC plus AB times the height of trapezium. The height of trapezium is the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides, which is AD. Now, let's substitute the value given into the formula. Half times DC is 12 centimeters and AB, we don't know yet. So just write as AB and AD is 10 centimeters equals to 140 centimeters square. Okay, now let's simplify 1 out of 2 and 10. So we divide them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, now we have 5 times 12 plus AB equals to 140, and then let's expand. 5 times 12 is 60, and 5 times AB is 5AB equals to 140. And then let's use balancing method. We subtract 60 from both sides. So we get 5AB equals to 80. And let's divide both sides by 5. So AB equals to 16 centimeters. Now let's solve question number 1b. The figure shows a quarter of circle AOB. If the perimeter of the quarter of circle is 25 centimeters, find the value of R. First, let's write the given information. From the question, we know that the perimeter of the quarter of circle is 25 centimeters. Now let's write the formula for the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around the outside of the shape. In the simple terms, it's like walking along the boundary of a shape and adding up all the distances traveled along each side. So the perimeter is AO plus OB plus arc AB. Next, let's substitute the value given into the equation. AO is R. Since AOB is quarter of circle, then AO and OB are radius. So OB also are cm. Now how about the arc AB? We don't know yet, right? So arc AB is the circumference of a quarter of circle. Remember that the formula to find the circumference of a circle is to pi r. So if you want to find 1/4 of circle, just multiply 1 out of 4 by 2 pi r. I suggest to use 22 out of 7 for the value of pi. And the radius is r. Okay, now let's simplify. We divide 4 and 2 by 2, so 2 by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then we can simplify again. 2 and 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Now we found the length of arc AB in terms of r. So So arc AB is 11 out of 7R. Okay, so let's put it here also. 11 out of 7R is equal to 25. And then now let's add the left sides. Since we have 7 as the denominator here, let's get rid of it. We can get rid 7 by multiplying both sides by 7. So our times 7 is 7R. Plus our times 7 is also 7R. 11 out of 7R times 7 is 11R. 25 centimeters times 7 is 175. Now let's add them. 7R plus 7R plus 11R is 25R. Equal to 175. And the last to find the R. We divide both sides by 25. So R is equal to 7 centimeters. Now let's solve question number 1C. The figure shows a parallelogram ABCD, where DE equals to 16 centimeters. If the area and the perimeter of the parallelogram are 360 centimeters square and 81 centimeters respectively, find the length of AB and BC. Respectively indicates that 360 centimeters square corresponds to the area, and 81 centimeters corresponds to the perimeter. So the area is 360 centimeters square and the perimeter is 81 centimeters. From the figure, we can see that DE is perpendicular to AB. So we can consider that D is the height and AB is the base of parallelogram. Then we can solve for the length AB using the area and the height. Okay, remember the formula for the area of parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is base times height. So for the base here is AB, and the height is DE. We don't know AB. So just write as AB. DE is 16. So to find the length of AB, we divide both sides by 16. So that AB equals to 22.5 centimeters. So AB is 22.5 centimeter. Okay. Now let's find BC. Given the perimeter ABCD equals to 81 centimeters. You remember? The perimeter is the total distance around the outside of the shape. Let's complete the figure first. AB is 22.5 and DC also 22.5 centimeters. Remember properties of parallelogram. The opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. How about BC? We don't know yet. Since we don't know, we can use letter N to represent BC. If BC is N, then AD also N. So the perimeter ABCD is DA plus AB plus BC plus CD. DA is N, and AB is 22.5. BC is also N and CD is 22.5 equals to 81. Now let's calculate the like term. So n plus n equal to n. And then 22.5 plus 22.5 is 45, equals to 81. Now let's apply the balancing method. We subtract 45 from both sides, so on the left we have to n. And on the right we have 36. And after that let's divide both sides by 2. So the value of n equals to 18. So the final answer? BC is 18 centimeters.